Welcome back. Today we are going to make floor cleaner, and today method is going to imitate by 20. If you are in Ghana or other parts of Africa, you might come across by 20. It's very popular floor cleaner. The smell is unique, so this is what I'm trying to achieve. And to be frank, at the end of the day, if not the smell was the same, or then it's near the same, it's almost the same. So this floor cleaner tool is my all-time favorite. The smell is fantastic, and if you want the smell to stay long, then you have to add more perfume. Try it at home and you will never regret it. Let's go over our ingredients. SLS solution, DCMS, salt, alcohol, pine oil, color. This is a perfume infused with alcohol, and this is my 1 liter water. So let's start with the preparation. First, I will pour my SLS into the bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt. And then stir. So as it thickens, I will then add some of the water to the SLS and salt. So I'm going to set this aside, the salt, and then it has taken a little. So if you want it to be thick, you add more salt to it. So I will set it aside and then mix my alcohol with my DCMS. I'll add some of the alcohol and then stir. Stir to make sure that there's no DCMS remaining. So after mixing the DCMS and then the alcohol, I'm going to add my pine to it. Don't worry, the details of the quantity will be under the description box below. So as you add the pine milk, it will turn into milky solution. So then after that, I will add my DCMS and then the alcohol. I will add water. Yes. After this, I'll go ahead and add my DCMS and then my alcohol to it and stir. I will add color. So after adding color and stir, I'm going to add my alcohol and then the perfume. When you add it, make sure you shake it so that it's infused well. So I'm now going to add my alcohol and then the perfume. If you want to add more water, then you have to increase the quantity of perfume. So I'm going to add my alcohol to apply the solution. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you to those who have been subscribing and those who have not. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do, and then share so that others too will benefit from it. So see you next time in my next video.